Hey everybody, welcome back. We got Mr. Rojo in the house tonight. We're both munching on sea suckers. And I think it was AZ Desert Dog said something about my shirt. My wife bought this shirt for me. Big Daddy Damon's Butcher Shop. The best meat in town.
She likes your meat.
She likes her dark meat. Alright. So, a couple things. When I was taking this apart, I found this shift fork was cracked. Well, it wasn't cracked, it was destroyed. I mean, those pieces, I don't know where they were, but they came out of the transmission someplace. I am replacing it with this piece right here, which is the exact correct part. It didn't have much wear on that one. It's the wife. And I've got all new seals for the case. So they're ready to go. Even the little shifter seal, I figured while I'm in here, we'll replace all those seals. The gear sets, all of the splines have been, got some grease on them. I've made sure nothing binds. I went through previously and made sure I oriented everything correctly and that all the clip rings were in. This is actually a pretty robust transmission. I mean, I can see why they're heavy, you know, why they're so heavy, but
KLR's better.
KLR's better. Mr. Rojo knows. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of go through in my mind how I want to put this thing back together. We probably won't show that because it's going to take probably both of us. But actually, as I think about it, if you want to see someone who knows what he's doing, put a transmission back together, I'll put a link over here somewhere to Chris Harris, who, if any of you have watched his BMW videos, that's the guy that really knows what he's doing. So there's probably a lot of others. I don't mean to just say Chris, but he's the one that I've watched and kind of learned from on this. So we're going to put this together and maybe take some shots in the middle somewhere along the way, but this is my first time, so I got to spend some time concentrating on it, and we'll see how it goes.
Mr. Duff Factor, what did you just do?
I just duff factored the snot out of this thing. I just put in a seal, put in another seal, went back and punched out the brand new seal I just put in. Started talking about Rojo grease and everything went to shit.
That's why you got a supervisor.
That's how I got my name. Do dumb stuff. Quite often I do very dumb things. Seal with it. 32 degrees, that's not very hot. Out of the freezer.